大家好，我是 Rocky 老师, and welcome to another exciting episode of Learn Chinese with Rocky. And now, let's get started. 我们开始. Today, I'm going to introduce to you two characters. Actually, there's three characters. The first character is Qiang. Qiang. Qiang is a third tone character. That is to say, it's a falling tone and rising tone. And the next two characters are Chu Yao. Now, Chu, this first character, Chu is a first tone character, meaning it's a constant level tone. And Yao, Yao is a fourth tone character. Okay? So, Qiang is want, when you want something. Chu Yao is when you need something. Now, one time when I was in China, and the reason I'm going over this is because there's a very big difference between wanting something, okay, wanting something and just and needing something, okay. When you're talking to your Chinese counterparts, when you tell them that you would want something, that means just that, you want it. But if you don't get it, it might be okay. You just would like to have it if you could. However, if you say that you need something, just like in English, if you need something, then that's different because you must have it or it must be done. Now, just like I need air to breathe. Rocky needs. I need air to breathe. If I don't have any air, something bad will happen. So Rocky definitely needs air to breathe. Now let's move along to our sentences. Our first sentence is, I want to sign the contract. Okay? 我将签合同政府我将签合同政府算我将签合同 I want 将 I want to sign the contract. All right? 签, this character right here, 签 is to sign. These two characters right here are 合同. 合同 is contract. Contract. Now let's go on to our next sentence. We need to negotiate the contract. Okay? This is a little bit different now. More pressing. So when you're negotiating, this is something that you would want to press or negotiate with now, because now time is running out, and tomorrow you leave China and you go back home, so there's a pressing problem of time. So you need to say this character now. You need to use these characters. Okay. 我们需要谈判合同政府我们需要谈判合同政府3快点我们需要谈判合同 All right, very good. Now, 需要, I think we've already said, is a first tone character, and then that fourth tone character. 谈判谈判谈判谈判 means to negotiate, all right? You got to negotiate. So these more characters that I'll introduce you to means that you have to be able to negotiate. Let's go on to our next sentence. Why would we need to negotiate? There is a problem. That's what you would say. There is a problem. 有一个问题。有一个问题。问题 By the way, it's like that. Winty. Win is a fourth tone character. That's a falling tone. T is a second tone character, meaning a rising tone. Winty. 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 Right? Try to get that rising tone at the end. Okay? So this would be a problem. There is a problem. What's the problem? There is a problem with the contract. Okay? So now there's a problem with the contract. This is a very very short sentence. Okay, 合同有问题，重复，合同有问题，重复3快点，合同有问题。I want to talk to you now about, and I'm going to try to do this. I hope I can do this. This is doing this just for you. I want to talk to you and isolate this character and this character. Okay. Now, if you look at these two characters, they kind of sort of almost look alike, right? But Tong, let's do the Tong. Tong is like this. Tong is written like this. So, and I'm using a stylus, and this is kind of like the first time that I do use a stylus. And then it kind of goes. So I'm having to, unfortunately, write a little bit slow. Okay, so this particular character, Tong, is within a room. Okay, it's somewhat safely within a room. You see, it's within a room, so it's very very safe within the room, and something valuable. It has a cover, right? And inside the cover, it has a box. So a contract, a piece of valuable jewelry. This is what it would be like, right? It's in a room, and in particular, not only is it in a room, Hutong. In this case, you might notice that this particular character looks like a little house, right? So it looks like a little house. So it's inside a house, inside a building, in a room, covered in a box with a cover. You know, that's something very valuable, right? Very safe. But now let's look at Winty, or Win. Let's look at Problemo. In the character of Problemo, look what happens now. Here's your room. Uh-oh. The cover is blown. Uh-oh. This is a problem. And what happened to the valuables? Valuables could be empty. So the cover is blown, and the room isn't so safe anymore. And it could be, but now this box could be empty. So this would be a problem, especially if it was the family jewels. If it was the family jewels, this would be a problem. So, Iga Winty. It'd be a big problem. Let's go to our next sentence. When can we sign the contract? 我们什么时候可以签订合同? Now let's look at these characters. 什么时候? 什么时候 means when. Okay. 什么时候 means when. Now let's go ahead and read the sentence again. Ready? This would be chunk food, means repeat. 我们什么时候可以签订合同? chunk food son, 快点. 我们什么时候可以签订合同? Let's go to our next sentence. The contract is ready. Please sign here. Very short, first one. The contract is ready. 合同准备. Right? So very short, very short. 合同准备. And let's isolate these two characters, because I kind of like them actually. And the character Junbei means to be ready. Okay, so you got to be ready. You always got to be ready. Our next sentence is, please sign here. 请在这里签名. 签名 right here would be to sign, and Ming in particular, right here, this word here, Ming in particular means your name, right? So to sign your name. 请在这里签名，郑福山，快点，请在这里签名。Now let's put all the characters together, all right? 合同准备，请在这里签名，重复。合同准备，请在这里签名。郑福山，快点，合同准备，请在这里签名。Okay, I want you to continue studying your Chinese, read your books, listen to your Chinese teachers, and practice, okay? And I want you to continue, and those of you who want to write to me, go ahead and do that. I read all your cards and letters. Keep sending them in. Until next time, I'm your friend, Rocky. 再见.